Hi! Today on Araw-Araw Filipino, we will learn some conversation starters which you can use to start conversations with your family or friends in the Filipino language. One way to start a conversation is to ask if someone has seen or heard about something. Did you see the blank? Nakita mo ba ang blank? Did see, nakita. You, mo. The, ang. Another way is, did you watch the blank? Napanood mo ba ang blank? Did watch, napanood. And another way is, did you hear the blank? Narinig mo ba ang blank? Did hear, narinig. So these are the different ways to start a conversation about something that took place, or an object or a place or a show on TV, and that can lead to an exchange between you and the person you're talking to. Here are some examples to start a conversation. Did you see the news? Nakita mo ba ang balita? News, balita. Did you watch the show? Napanood mo ba ang palabas? Show, palabas. Did you hear the gossip? Narinig mo ba ang chismis? Gossip, chismis. When we ask a question like, did you see the news? Nakita mo ba ang balita? The person we are asking can simply answer with a yes, oo, or no, hindi. We can continue that conversation by asking, what do you think? Let's say, what do you think of that news? Ano ang tingin mo? The Filipino version actually means, what is your view? It's just that in English, it is common to say, what do you think? But in Filipino, we say, what is your view? Ano ang tingin mo? What is ano? You or your is mo. View, tingin. We can also ask, what is your opinion? Ano ang opinion mo? Opinion, opinion. Or, what can you say? Ano ang masasabi mo? Can say, masasabi. If we expand these questions, then it will turn into a conversation starter. What do you think? Ano ang tingin mo? If you change it to, what do you think of the news? Ano ang tingin mo sa balita? Then it can be a starter. Of the is sa, news, balita. In the same way, when you expand, what is your opinion? To, what is your opinion of the show? Then it can start a conversation. Ano ang opinion mo sa palabas? Show, palabas. And the last one, what can you say? You can expand it to, what can you say about the gossip? Ano ang masasabi mo tungkol sa chismis? About the, tungkol sa. Gossip, chismis. Here is another way to start a conversation. This time, you can ask someone if they know about a certain topic. You ask, Did you know that blank? Alam mo ba na blank? Did, know, alam. You, mo. That, na. What about the word ba? Remember, we use ba when we ask questions that are answerable by yes or no. Here are some examples asking questions that start with, did you know? Alam mo ba? Did you know that there is a new mall that will be built? Alam mo ba na may bagong mall na itatayo? There is my new bagong will be built, itatayo. Here is another example. Did you know that there will be a parade? Alam mo ba na magkakaroon ng parada? There will be, magkakaroon. Parade, parada. Here is one more example. Did you know that there are over 7,000 islands in the Philippines? Alam mo ba na may mahigit 7,000 na mga isla sa Pilipinas? There are, may, over, mahigit, islands, mga isla. In the, sa, and Philippines, Pilipinas. In all of these examples, we have used a question to start a conversation. But from this question, we can convert it to a simple statement that says, I read that there are over 7,000 islands in the Philippines. Nabasa ko na may mahigit 7,000 na mga isla sa Pilipinas. So, in this example, we can start the conversation by stating that I read that blank. I is ko, read, nabasa, that, na. From that previous example, we learned a conversation starter with I read that blank. Nabasa ko na blank. Here are some other conversation starters using that pattern. I heard that blank. Narinig ko na blank. Heard, narinig. You can also say, I found out that blank, or I learned that blank. Nalaman ko na blank. Found out or learned, nalaman. Now I will leave this with you as an exercise. Try to use these conversation starters to talk to your friend or family and see how it goes. Of course, there are more conversation starters in the Filipino language. I will make lessons in the future about other ways to start a conversation. But for now, that's our lesson, and I hope you found it useful. For your homework, I'd encourage you to practice starting conversations based on fun facts about anything with your friends and family in the Filipino language. Have fun! I hope you can join us again next time on Araw-Araw Filipino. Thank you. Salamat po. Now, a few words from my son, Max.
Thought this video was cool? Watch the next one and like and subscribe to the channel too if you haven't yet.
Bye-bye!
Bye!